Kellen.
Get the eggs. Get the eggs in the basket.
It's stuck. Careful, it might swing back at us.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Jesus. Kellen, Mommy needs to see your pretty face. Oops, I don't have that.
You got lots of eggs. Pick them up.
Oh, you want me to tell you big dollies?
Put them in the basket. Good girl. There's some more.
Now throw them all over.
No, put them in your basket. Oh.
There you go. I've had enough of these eggs.
Kellen, put it in your basket.